Saksihan ang mga aktibong aksyon at pakikilahok sa iba't ibang aktibidad ni Police Colonel Felipe B. Maragon, Provincial Director ng Rizal Police Provincial Office simula November 4 hanggang November 8, 2024. Ang Rizal Police Provincial Office sa pamumuno ni Police Colonel Felipe B. Maragon, Provincial Director, ay opisyal nang idineklara bilang drug-free workplace. Ang seremonya ng deklarasyon ay pinangunahan ng Undersecretary Earl P. Saavedra, CSO1 Executive Director 5 ng Dangerous Drugs Board bilang guest of honor and speaker, kasama ang mga miyembro ng Command Group, Regional Staff, Provincial Directors ng PRO4A at mga miyembro ng Philippine Drug Enforcement Agency. Ang sinagawang aktibidad ay naglalayong matiyak na walang miyembro ng Rizal PNP ang sangkot sa anumang aktibidad na kaugnay sa iligal na droga. Pinangunahan ni Police Colonel Felipe B. Maragon, Provincial Director ng Rizal Police Provincial Office, ang Enhanced Managing Police Operation, katuwang ang Command Group, Provincial Staff, Chief of Police at Support Units. Nagdinanap sa Rizal Police Provincial Office Conference Room, Camp Engine Leserio 1, Geronimo, Taytay, Rizal. Pinalakay sa nasabing aktibidad ang mga estratehiya na makakatulong upang mapanatili ang katahimikan at kaayusan ng probinsya. Sa direktiba ni PD Maragon, mas paigtingin pa ang pagsasagawa ng checkpoint upang maiwasan ang iba't ibang uri ng kriminalidad sa lansangan. Kinilala ng Rizal Police Provincial Office ang mga natatanging police stations sa kanilang dedikasyon at pagsisikap para sa kaayusan ng komunidad. Kung kaya't ang Rizal Police Provincial Office sa pamumuno ni Police Colonel Felipe B. Maragon, Provincial Director, katuwang ang Command Group, ay binigyan ng pagkilala ang mga sumusunod: Top Performing Police Station City Class A Municipalities during Provincial Simultaneous Anti-Criminality Law Enforcement Operations on October 10 to October 22, 2024. First, Binangonan Municipal Police Station received by Police Lieutenant Colonel Evangeline P. Santos, Chief of Police. Second, Antipolo Component City Police Station received by Police Lieutenant Colonel Ryan L. Manungdo, Chief of Police. Third, Taytay Municipal Police Station received by Police Lieutenant Colonel Marlo N. Solero. Top Performing Police Station Class B and C Municipalities during Provincial Simultaneous Anti-Criminality Law Enforcement Operation on October 10 to October 22, 2024. First, Teresa Municipal Police Station received by Police Major Edsel L. Macasero. Second, Cardona Municipal Police Station received by Police Major Emery S. Ablao. Third, Pililla Municipal Police Station received by Marinel T. Fronda. Top Performing Police Station during Warrant Week Campaign Against Wanted Person on October 18 to October 22, 2024. Yan ang mga aktibong pakikisa at pakikilahok sa mga aktibidad ni Police Colonel Felipe B. Maragon, Provincial Director ng Rizal Police Provincial Office sa Bagong Pilipinas. Ang gusto ng pulis, ligtas ka.